Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to my channel. It's now 6 p.m. and I'm going to service my car, my Myvi, and here we are underneath the Myvi. So servicing a car, it's very simple. Well, look for your oil sump. In this case, the Myvi. Here's the oil sump right about here, and that's the nut there. Loosen the nut. The nut is now pretty loose. Make sure that the your catchment thing it's just above here. And as you slowly open this up, I'm going to try to not get my hands dirty, and you can feel whether you're out or not. Yep, like that. And that's how you open the nut without getting your hand too dirty. And having these cheap plastic catch tanks are pretty good. Now I want to show you something. One second. I want to show you the best investment you can do for your car. So this is a typical oil sump nut, and normally mechanics will put this back, which is fine. But older cars, what I recommend is this: throw this away and get this. So this is an aftermarket nut, and what it is one second, my hands are dirty. If you see here, this is a filter. Can you see this? Yep, they are magnetized, and these aren't too expensive. They're probably about less than 20 ringgit, but this will save you a lot in the long run, because all the old oil, any metal shavings will come and stick to here. So yeah, I got this cheap in Giant. It was 90 ringgit on offer, and it's my toolkit. And so yeah, let's get servicing.